Hello everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going over to XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, we got a CoinsKid crew. Thank you for support. Thank you for liking the video, sharing the videos, and your subscription on YouTube. If you're not already involved in the CoinsKid community right there on the Discord, definitely please get involved in that Discord. Going to be posting a lot of trade setups, long, short, long-term macro views, and answering a lot of questions on some of them altcoins as well. I get so many sort of chart requests on altcoins, and I'm going to start dropping them into the Discord right there, and some opportunities going forward as well for the CoinsKid community right there. Okay, so please get involved in the CoinsKid Discord. The links are in each and every single video description. Let's dive into the XRP video right now and take a look at the DXY. Okay, so looking at the DXY on a weekly time frame, one thing we are doing here, and so far so good, we've got this big bearish cross on a weekly time frame for the DXY. We printed one in 2017, we printed one in 2020, and right now, another 3 years later, in the 3 year cycle of the DXY, we printed another one. So if you take a look for XRP, let's drop the XRP price in here, go to plus symbol and go to XRP new price to scale. We've spoken about this particular scenario so many times that once we get this death cross, it's just a looking glass. It's just an opportunity to get involved in XRP, because every time we print this death cross, way since back since 2017, it's just been an opportunity, although at the time it never felt like an opportunity, because whilst this death cross was being printed, XRP corrects into the death cross, and this is a situation we was looking at, okay, as confluence while we were looking at a correction as this death cross was being created. If you take a look, we got the correction as the death cross was being created basically, and this is a situation as confluence why I did think we'd get that correction for XRP, okay, when others was expecting XRP to just take off into space. You can clearly see on this death cross as well what happened. XRP corrected, went sideways, and then broke out. So there is a theory that I've got at the moment. We're sitting roughly around about there, and equally in this death cross as well, we're sitting roughly around about here, okay, which we were in 2017 and which we were in 2020. So if we get a continual breakdown here for the DXY, it's not bullshit, it's not opium, it's pure data. And right now we've got this big look sort of double top just there. We've lost this low. Right now we've got a little double top which should bring us back down to this support here, which creates a larger double top and equally a descending triangle. So the death cross on the weekly time frame for the DXY is playing out so far, okay, it's acting as key resistance. So if this continues to drop, then we should expect XRP to pop, just like it did here in 2020 and just like it did here in 2017, okay. So again, it's not bullshit, it's not hopium, it's pure data, and this is all I do, I relay the data to you, and I show you lots of confluence in other charts on a daily basis. So we've been looking at this opportunity from 2022 into 2023 for XRP, that it would actually be bullish, and so far so good, okay. So let's dive into the XRP chart right now and see what we can see. So looking at XRP on a weekly time frame, we are in a very, very important pivot date here on the 1618, aren't we? These pivot dates are amazing so far. Look at this. So basically we've got the wave 1, the wave 2 bottomed on the 382, the wave 3 topped on the golden ratio 0618. Potentially right now, that's the A, and then we've come up in the B, and right now the C is bottomed on the 1618 this week, okay. So it doesn't mean that this particular week can't flash crash back down, grab some more liquidity, but what I'm looking for confirmation that this is a very important pivot date on the 1618, what I'm looking for is the next week, if not this week, I'm looking for a very, very strong close for XRP to confirm this really, really important pivot date. And it really is simple, okay. Looking at the charts, what we're looking for is a close above the 10 EMA on the weekly time frame to confirm this important pivot date right here on the 1618, okay, 04791. So this week it could be a little bit more volatile, but what I'm looking for next week, not this week, next week, is a close above that blue line, okay. So if we can do that, it doesn't mean this week we can't have more of a liquidity grab come back down, but the following week what I'm looking for is a close above the 10 EMA, because it's exactly what we did here, okay. Let me show you. So we came back down in this wave 2, okay, we bottomed just there, and then the next week what we did, we closed above the 10 EMA, which led to a massive impulsive move, okay. Then we've come back down here, we bottomed just there, and then next week we closed above a 10 EMA, which led to a massive retracement, possibly a B wave high. When I'm looking at some kind of A, some kind of B, some kind of C. So this really, really important pivot date, it has to be confirmed for me by coming back up over the next couple of weeks and taking out the 10 EMA on a weekly time frame. I think if we start to see the 10 EMA being closed above from any point from here, it's confirming the bottom of the correction for me for XRP, okay. So it doesn't mean this week with the volatility that's potentially ahead, we might see another flash crash down for XRP, okay, and grab some more liquidity before over the next couple of weeks, closing out, and then boom, we're going to have a massive run and a huge breakout within this blue zone here to the next important pivot date, which is the 2 Feb, which is roughly the Monday the 21st of August. So if we can find the bottom this week, okay, and potentially we've already bottomed already, what I'm looking for is confirmation by closing above a 10 EMA, get our ass above that. I think that's a very, very powerful signal from this point, and it could indicate that within this blue box here, here, we've got a massive move for XRP. So where would the move go to if we do get the breakout? Okay, so I'll be looking at the 1272 at bare minimal at 66 cents. The 1414 would be a target as well at 0.7236. But I think, you know, there's no bias here. I think we could run as high as the golden ratio extension just there. The 1618 is 0.82142 for XRP. So like I've always said to you, patience is key with XRP, but please remember, we can have a flash crash, grab some liquidity. Everyone's like, oh no, shit, XRP is going to zero. But we're looking for the closes, the consistent closes above resistance to get really bullish about XRP in the short term, okay? I hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Bye-bye.